Hi guys, it's Hayden and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is do my eyebrows. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, but I'll be using the HD Brows Iron Brow Palette. So I'll probably be dipping into these two shades, because I like my eyebrows to be not too dark, so I usually use lighter colours so they're not too dark. So I'm just going to pop off camera, do my eyebrows, and then I'll be right back. So the brows are done. So now I'm going to be doing the eyeshadow. Now, some people hate doing the eyeshadow first, some people love doing the eyeshadow first. I personally like to do my eyeshadow first because of fallout. So I'm just going to take my Magic Star concealer. I use this to do my thingy my eyebrows out, but I'm going to just pop a bit of this on the lid for concealer to act as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm going to use my James Charles palette. So I'm going to take this shade here. I'm not really sure what the shade names are, so I'll put the shade names like down here maybe, I don't know. Take my Lunar Beauty brush, which is at the Lunar Beauty palette, and I'm just going to dip into that shade and put this in my crease as my transition shade. That's blended out really good. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to dip into this brown shade here and just work that in as well, and just go straight for it. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm really far away, I'm sorry, but we're just trying to work with what we got. The shade here, and hopefully it darkens up this look. Okay, so I don't really want to do much more to that apart from add shimmer. Is it shimmer? I don't really what I can't really think of what you would say. I'm gonna add the shimmer a little bit on there. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do for the eyes. I'm gonna pop some lashes on, and then I will be right back. So I've just popped on my lashes. I have decided just to forward the video because you've all seen me put on the base before, so I'm just gonna skip the base and fast forward it. So I've just done my bottom mascara and put mascara on, I use the Benefit Roller Lash. Always good for that. And then I have put black eyeliner in my waterline. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in, I was fully nude. So this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more kind of makeup looks, I can't really say that I did a tutorial because I kind of just sat and just did my makeup, didn't really speak. But yeah, if you want to see any more makeup looks from me, then give this video a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. This isn't the best makeup look that I've ever done, but it looks fine. It will work. The eyeshadow looks okay. It's not my best eyeshadow. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below and leave some comments if there's any other videos that you want to see. And yes, thank you for watching. Bye guys.